Hello everyone, and there is a big news coming from TCS. There is a great news coming from TCS that TCS has again started hiring for 2022 pass out candidates. So friend, this is obviously a golden opportunity. So TCS has opened the registration for TCS BPS of freshers hiring. This is also called as TCS Smart Hiring. So friends, watch the video till the end because in this video I'll be telling you who all can apply. So what is the registration end date, how to register, the test pattern, the syllabus, each and everything we will be talking in detail. So please do watch the video till the end and subscribe the YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed, because we are doing a lot of activities like interview experiences, your preparation, job updates, everything. So you should definitely not miss anything. Okay, now, so let us see. So the registration end date is 7th of January 2022 and the test date will be on 26th of January. That is nothing but Republic Day. And after your test is over, the interview will be conducted and the date will be announced to you. Now, so register now. So you can, what you can do, you can click over here, right? And then you will be able to register. So I have just opened the new tab. So let us see what is there in the new tab. Okay, so we will have a look at that. So now if you click over here, then the page has already been loaded. And welcome abroad. So TCS Next Step portal, and this is for the BPS, Business Process Executive. Okay, so this recruitment is for BPS, Business Process Executive. So you need to select BPS. Please do not select IT. IT is for BE, BTech, MEM Tech. Okay, now, so you can see here TCS has curated exclusive opportunities for arts, commerce, and science graduate from the batch of 2022 pass out to apply for exciting careers and make the big move. So exceptional performance will be the part of TCS fast growing units, cognitive business operations, CBO, banking and financial services, and insurance and life sciences in various enriching roles that amplify their career growth. Okay, now, so application process for the TCS BPS hiring 2022. So you need to log into the TCS Next Step portal and then register and apply. So as I showed you, so you need to click here, you will be redirected to the TCS portal. Okay, and then you have to select BPS and then you have to fill all the details and then you need to register. Okay, so friends, please spread this video to your friends. If you are not eligible, at least spread this to the your friends, those who are doing arts, commerce, and they still wanted to work with the India's most reputed MNC TCS. Okay, now, so step by step guide, click here to take the mock test and prepare better for the TCS BPS hiring test. Now, so mock test means you can see here. So I have already clicked over the link, and now if you will say I'm ready to begin, and you can have a look at the test. So here quantitative ability mock test is there. So I will also solve all this question for you. So basically the syllabus will be aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability. Okay, now, so now again we can see here. So you must have all your original documentation. So these are the important details has been given here. So regarding your eligibility and test pattern, we will talk. But if you have any kind of doubt, you can send an email to cbscampus.support1@tcs.com, and they have also given the help desk number. Now, so here you can see test eligibility. So who all are eligible? So full-time graduate from BCom, BA, BF, BBI, BBA, BBM, BMS, BSc, ITCS, okay, general, BCA, BCS, BPharm, MPharm. 2022 year of passing candidates can apply. So you are very clear now. If you have done BCom, BA, BF, BBI, BBA, BBM, BMS, BSc, then you will be able to apply for this particular job. Backlog criteria. So candidates should not have no active backlogs at the time of appearing for the test. So you should not have any kind of backlogs. I mean, you should not have failed in any of the subject. Gap criteria. So overall gaps in academics should not exceed 2 years. So more than 2 years gaps should not be there. Extended qualification. So candidates should not have any extended education in their highest qualification. Work timings. So candidates should be comfortable in working in a dynamic work environment, rotational night shift. Okay, and background verification. So definitely once you'll get selected, then TCS will be doing the background check for this, right? Okay, then test pattern. So you can also see the test pattern here. So only 3 subjects will be there and timing will be 65 minutes, 1 hour, 5 minutes. So you'll have aptitude, 26 question. All the questions will be very, very simple. Okay, and duration per section in minutes. So 20 minutes will be given. So hardly you will be getting 1 minute for one question. Okay, Verbal ability, there'll be 24 questions will be there. 20 minutes will be allocated, and reasoning ability 30 question will be there, and only 25 minutes will be allocated. So total 80 question, and then timing will be 65. So you will be getting hardly 50 seconds for one question. But as I said, the questions will be easy, so you do not have to worry at all. Okay, so which year passing is there? So 2022. So this is frequently asked question. So if a student has any kind of doubt, so they will be able to, okay, go through that. Friends, as for BPO or BPS, we could see TCS has not mentioned any kind of percentage criteria. Okay, so you do not have to worry at all. So if irrespective of what marks or what percentage you have, you will be able to apply for this particular job, because as such, I am not able to see any kind of percentage criteria. But if any it is there, I will be updating in the comment box itself. So the pinned comment will be there, but right now I'm not able to see, at least for this time, they have mentioned any kind of percentage criteria. Otherwise, in the eligibility criteria section here itself, so they will mention that you should not you should have 60% or 6 GPA, but right now I'm not able to see. Okay, so friends, how to apply? So you need to click over here and register as soon as possible. Do not, by mistake also, do not apply for IT. Okay, I'm telling you again. So because IT is for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, so it's not for BA, BCom. Okay, so what you can do here, so you can click on register now and then select only BPS, Business Process Executive. So friends, this is a golden opportunity. So if you are from BE, BTech, and if you're not eligible, pass it to your brother, sister, friends, or whoever you think they will be able to get a job in TCS, because getting a job in TCS, one of the reputed companies, reputed MNCs of India, definitely it's a matter of pride you should have. Okay, so thank you friends, take care. And we also have the courses, so in the description, the apply link and the courses link will be given, so you can start your preparation. And I wanted to see you in TCS family.